how to see the recently watched videos on TikTok. This is what I will show you in this video. So basically there are two ways that I'm going to cover in this tutorial. Number one is a little lengthier one, so you need to stick till the end of the video because the second method is just one step solution. Method number one is that you need to first of all open the app and go to your profile by clicking this bottom right icon, and then click these three horizontal bars towards the top right hand side, and from the pop-up menu go to the settings and privacy. Within the setting and privacy, you need to go to the activity center, which is here under the content and display. And in this next menu you will see all these options. So right on the top there is an option watch history. Once you will click that, you will see all your videos that you have recently watched. You can scroll and there is a filter by date on the top also. You can filter it by yesterday, last week, last month, and then you can even give a date range also from here. So this was the method number one, but the method number two is, and for that you need to go to the your main TikTok page, and from here you need to go to the search bar by clicking the top right hand side, and in the search bar you need to search the dot, the point, and then you need to click search. On the next search page right on the top you will see this view your watch history. Once you will click that, you will go to the same page that you went from your settings or content activity page. So these are all the videos that you have rather I have watched. So this is how you can also see your recently watched videos on TikTok.